Hello viewers, and today I am going to be harvesting some little finger carrots that I had started back in August the 15th. Sorry for the noise. So here we go. I'm gonna start with this one in the corner. Success! This is the first time I grew these little finger carrots, and everything looks pretty good. Let's see about these. Looking good. This one back here, I think, is a big one. Nice. Very good. They're usually 58 days. And that is it. That's my harvest of little finger carrots. And I'll be cooking these up for dinner this evening. I'm pretty happy with this harvest, and that's it. I think I'm going to be growing these again next year. 58 days is not too long, and well, until the next time, viewers, blessings, y'all.